crazy because in just a second we'll be up on that peak. It doesn't seem like it's even possible. On this trail, I kind of stop here every time. I'm like, 5 minutes I'll be over there. And then another 15 minutes from now, I'll be at the top of that peak. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This, if you can't tell, this is a new camera. So for all the years, not all the years, for the last many years, I was using a Sony FDR X3000. It's a 4K camera. And the way that I would get the audio off of these, or do for my video logs, is I had a lavalier mic inside my helmet that I just kept inside the helmet there. And then I was able to, just record, and I had better audio for like vlogs. Over the years, I've tried many different GoPros to see if I could actually get an external mic input. Now, they've had different ways to do it. Currently, the way is through the medium mod. Like, you buy this thing to put around your GoPro, and then in the past, they've got like an external mic input there. I don't know if they have it on the current generation GoPros, but the problem that I had with that is I could never adjust the levels. And so what was happening is the mics were too hot, and it was just like peaking, and it was too much. It was too loud. It wouldn't allow you to adjust the level of the microphone, like the input level. That's what you do with any microphone, whether you're working with audio or video, whatever it is. If you're a band, you've got to adjust the input level of the microphone, and GoPro has not allowed you to do that. So I have not used a GoPro for so many years. Well, this video footage that you're seeing right here is a brand new GoPro Hero 13 Black, I think. And I don't have any external mic on it. And so, at least unless I figure that out, I won't really have a lot of video log, talking while I'm riding. But that's what's going on. And I think at this point, I'm going to switch over from like wide view. I think that was super view before, and this is, I don't know, this one might be super view as far as the format. I can't remember, but I'm just going to play around with this. I haven't used, like I said, I haven't been able to use GoPro, or felt like I wanted to use GoPro for so long, but the form factor of the GoPro is just so much better than what this Sony camera is. The Sony camera sticks out so far from the front of my helmet, because I run a chin mount to get these shots. I think the chin mount is the most realistic vantage point for doing riding. I think it's way better than on top of the helmet. Those make those kind of like flatten everything out a little bit more. And then also, if you use like a chest mount, it's too bumpy, and I feel like it's too low. So I like the chin mount vantage point for watching videos. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. So this is a sweepstakes bike. This is the sweepstakes bike that you guys can win. It's the 2024 KTM 300 XCW. Just got out on this bike a little bit last week and did some riding. It's the first time I rode since I got that concussion. And my hand, even today, I can't remember it. It's been almost a month since I had a really hard crash, and even my left hand it still hurts to like open bottles or take the tops off of water bottles, because my left hand got kind of torqued. It's like the thumb got torqued. But it didn't really affect me on this ride. I have a new helmet. I'm testing out the Fly Formula S. That's that smart helmet. So I'm using that on this ride as well. So I'm just kind of like doing a few things and having some fun. So you got the fall colors here. We had the fall colors are in full swing here in Utah right now. It feels like they came a little early, but we've been having some amazing weather too. So we've had, in the last couple days here at the end of September, it's been in the 80s and 90s. It's just been absolutely beautiful. We could use some rain, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. So yeah, if you want to get entered to win this bike, all you got to do is go over to dirtbikechannel.com, and I have the links over there. Well, basically, if you buy a shirt or anything else that I have on my website, you're automatically entered to win this thing. And if you use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV, like if you're at dirtbikechannel.com and you just use the link Shop Rocky Mountain ATV right there, it puts a little tracker in your browser and it enters you into the sweepstakes. You don't get any visual notification or a confirmation from Rocky Mountain ATV that you're entered, but it does work. The last couple of bikes I've given away to people who just shopped through that Rocky Mountain ATV link, and I love that. because it doesn't cost you guys anything. It's a great way to support these videos because it's stuff that you were going to probably buy for your dirt bike or your, you know, riding gear or whatever. Anyway, so it doesn't cost you a thing. And Rocky Mountain ATV has been a great partner through the years, so I like promoting that link. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. You can continue to watch this video, listen to the bike, and listen to it purr. These bikes are incredible. If you haven't ridden one, if you haven't ridden a TBI, like the new counterbalance fuel-injected second-generation fuel injection bikes from KTM, these motors are freaking phenomenal. And for out here doing mountain single track, that 300 is unreal. They're just so good. So good. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. So continue to enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll be back with more videos in a couple of days. So thanks so much, and leave a single track. It's pretty.